Good afternoon. My name is Ian Klank. I'm a senior here at St. Joe's.
My name's Ethan Goss.
I'm Andrew Sabluski.
Hello, my name is Deshaun Ashley.
My name is Matthew Banks.
My name is Joe Franzak.
Hello all, my name is Thomas Gertschisner.
My name is DeAndre Nguyen.
Hi, my name is Sean Benini.
My name is Kevin Smith.
My name is Nathan King.
Hello, my name is Matthew Krangle.
I'm Dominic Casada.
My name is Timothy Krangle.
Hello, my name is Luke Papstich.
My name is Michael Kirkpatrick.
My name is Christian Ollie, and I'm a graduating senior at St. Joseph's Collegiate Institute.
It seems like just yesterday I was a freshman, and in a blink of an eye, here we are. I'm a senior, giving you a speech over a Zoom call.
As I wrote this speech, I found it impossible to capture the words that answer the question of what St. Joe's means to me.
Now, my time here has been a blast.
Each year brought me new experiences, challenges, and plenty of memories.
When I was growing up, I never thought I would go to St. Joe's or a private school of any sort.
Ever since I was a young kid, I knew I wanted to go to St. Joe's. I knew that my time there would be very challenging, but worth it.
My brother attended St. Joe's, and I wanted to follow in his footsteps.
I came into St. Joe's being a third generation, from my grandfather to my father to me and my brother.
And in the fall of 2016, on the first day of freshman year, I walked through the doors for the first time, not knowing what to expect.
Walking into St. Joe's freshman year, I had known few people.
When I was a freshman walking into my first day of school, the first thing that jumped out at me was the brotherhood and tight bond between the students, and even the teachers.
St. Joe's is a community filled with kind-hearted people who always care about you and want you to excel.
I had teachers that just changed my life.
These people have devoted much of their time and talents and have had a lasting impression on me.
The teachers who have taught me, who have pushed me, and the counselors who have guided me.
My coaches have taught me accountability and to be a brother to my teammates and treat others with respect.
St. Joe's is a place that inspired me to always try hard with my schoolwork.
I've learned a lot over these years, not just from books, but also from the people here at St. Joe's.
Everyone always says that the brotherhood is cliche, but it is real, and being a part of the brotherhood is truly unforgettable.
As a freshman, and even a sophomore, I didn't really think anything of brotherhood. I just pushed it away because I thought St. Joe's as just another school. But I couldn't have been more wrong.
I met my greatest of friends and brothers here. I have met the people that will get invited to my wedding and the people that will be my groomsmen.
It became the little things, such as being in a basketball game where an opposing team's teammate taunted and bullied one of my younger teammates, and I was always there to rush and be there for them. Every single game, I was ready to go to war for my brothers, and that was what the brotherhood meant to me.
It doesn't matter how smart you are, what you're interested in, or what your talents are. The community will always have your back.
A place where everyone is friends and no one is judged.
Everyone is able to be themselves, which lets the students be creative and confident.
St. Joe's is such a special place because you can be challenged every day, and there will always be someone to help you rather than put you down.
St. Joe's has taught me how to be a man of integrity, and it's taught me about brotherhood and what the most important things are in life.
Think about all the games we've gone to, and that feeling you get after we score a goal when we're jumping around, pushing each other, and screaming when the Saints go marching. That's brotherhood, and that's the feeling we try and share every day.
Now, the end of the year was crazy because with all the Zoom calls, but you're able to see how much everyone brings each other together with all of us here on a Zoom call, and it's just something you wouldn't see at any other school.
I'm happy that I tried to make the most of my senior year, even though a lot of things got taken away from me.
I feel this senior year, I've grown up a lot.
None of these memories would have happened if I would have gone anywhere else. These moments in time have shaped my high school experience, and I feel as though I have become the foundation of my adult life.
Because of St. Joe's, I learned valuable life lessons, and have found myself. But it has definitely influenced a person I want to be and someone I look forward to being in the future.
I can tell you from experience that the guys sitting next to me on the Zoom inspire me to be better than I ever thought I could be. My classmates are my role models.
Over the course of my 4 years, I have learned a lot and grew as a person. I will take what I have learned and use it in college and beyond.
St. Joe's turns boys into men and prepares us not just for college, but for life.
So far in my life, St. Joe's has given me the most support I've ever received, some of the greatest moments of my life, and has taught me values that I will never forget.
I genuinely believe that this school has had such a positive impact on my life.
SJCI taught me how to be a man and how to be accountable and responsible. With that being said, I can truly say that I'm truly ready to enter the real world, but not to be ordinary, but to be successful.
I 100% see the difference of growth from when I was an immature young freshman to now being a mature, polite young man, or as Brother Chris would say, gentleman of integrity.
St. Joe's means a lot to me, and I feel truly blessed to have had the opportunity to attend such an amazing, friendly, and helpful school, and believe that I wouldn't be set up as well as I am now for the next chapter of my life if I were at any other school than here.
I hope one day St. Joe's can teach my son even better than it has taught me.
I'm proud to say that I was a student of St. Joe's.
I would like to thank all the teachers, administrators, staff, and of course my fellow classmates who gave me such a memorable high school experience. You all were a big part of my life and growth as a person.
My only wish these last 4 years has been that I would act in a way so that my teachers, faculty, staff, especially my fellow students, could be proud of me. Gentlemen, thank you for this high school experience. It has been a true honor. I will always cherish those memories within my heart.
There's no doubt in my mind this is the best high school on earth.